Welcome to the Manny HSE Guide. In this video we will discuss how to properly use a life jacket step-by-step guide. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Step 1. Choosing the right life jacket. 1. Size and fit. Importance. Proper fit is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Weight and chest size. Select a life jacket based on your measurements. Check the label for guidance. Label reading. Find size recommendations on the label. Types of life jackets. Type 1 offshore life jackets, best for rough remote waters. Most buoyant and turns unconscious wearers face up. Type 2 nearshore buoyant vests, suitable for calm waters, less buoyant than Type 1 but still turns some unconscious wearers face up. Type 3 flotation aids, ideal for water sports and conscious users, comfortable and allows movement but may not turn unconscious wearers face up. Type R, throwable devices designed to be thrown to someone in the water, not for wearing. Type V, special use devices for specific activities, must be worn as directed. Step 2. Inspecting the life jacket. Inspect a life jacket for any signs of wear and tear, such as rips, holes or broken buckles. Checking the buoyancy by squeezing the foam to ensure it's in good condition. Step 3. Putting on the life jacket. Slip it on. Slip the life jacket over your head or put your arms through, depending on the design. Adjust the fit. Pull the jacket down to ensure it sits correctly on your torso. Step 4. Securing the straps. Fasten all buckles and clips and tighten the straps to secure the jacket snugly. Strap adjustment. It is important to make sure all straps are tightened evenly to avoid discomfort and ensure proper buoyancy. Step 5. Checking the fit. Lift test by pulling up on the shoulders of the life jacket. It should not go above your ears or chin. If it does, tighten the straps further. Comfort check. Ensure the jacket is comfortable and doesn't restrict movement. Step 6. Testing in water. Safe environment. Enter the water with the life jacket on, demonstrating its buoyancy and how it keeps you afloat. Maneuverability. Check how you can move and swim while wearing the life jacket, emphasizing its effectiveness. Step 7. Regular maintenance. Properly store the life jacket after use, such as rinsing off salt water, drying it thoroughly and storing it in a cool, dry place. Periodic checks. Life jacket regularly checking is very important for any signs of wear and replacing it if necessary. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the information with friends and family to promote water safety.